Welcome to your daily math video. Our purpose is to give you a little cognitive shot, boost your confidence, and help you connect with your family to discuss the solution. Now, take a look at this little interesting brainy activity. Think carefully and try to solve it in your mind. You may use your calculator, tablet, or grab a pen and paper if you like. Here are your choices. Look closely, take your time, think again.
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem.
Step 1. Factorize the numerator. So we have a raised to power 3 as common factor in the numerator, and we get following equation. Step 2. Cancel a raised to power 3 from both sides, so the equation becomes simplified as shown below. Step 3. Now we'll factorize the numerator using formula a squared minus b squared. We get a minus 1 times a plus 1 over a minus 1 is equal to 1.
Step 4. Cancel a minus 1. We get a plus 1 equals 1. Step 5. Solve a plus 1 equals 1. We have a equals 0. So the correct choice is C.
So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.